Yo, just look at this. Today, I'm trying out the recipe for Shake Shack cheese sauce. Shake Shack recently released the recipe so that you can make it at home, and I'm gonna try it out today to see if it's any good and see if it tastes like the original. I'm gonna start by heating up a pan, putting about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in. Coat the pan. Now I'm gonna throw in about 3/4 cup of sliced onions. Then I'll throw in 6 slices of jalapeno. You can do more if you like more spice. 2 tablespoons of black peppercorns. Just keep it moving around. About a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And I'll just cook this until my onions become translucent. Very fragrant. I'm gonna start coughing. Pungent. Onions are cooked down, maybe even a little bit crispy. But now I will go ahead and deglaze the pan with 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. And 2 tablespoons white wine. After this reduces down, I'm gonna cut the heat and add 2 cups of heavy cream. Stir it up a little bit. Once the heavy cream is in, I will take it off heat and let it steep for 30 minutes. The heavy cream has steeped for 30 minutes. It should be super flavorful. Now I'm just going to strain out all the solids. And I wish I had a bigger strainer, but I don't. So this is what we're gonna have to do today. That worked. It worked just fine. Now I'll return the heavy cream to my pot, heat it up, and get it close to a boil. Oh, that smells so good. The cream is bubbling, so now I'm gonna add in my cheeses. I've got 2 cups of shredded cheddar. I went for sharp cheddar. And 2 cups of American. Now I'm just gonna whisk this until no more cheese clumps are visible. This is so easy. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Okay, now I've got to give it a try. Handy dandy fry. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's hot. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Yo, just look at this. That's just perfect. Probably unnecessary, but I have to see how this cheese sauce holds up with other food forms. So, pretzel bites, let's give it a try. That was so good. I can't even decide which one I like better. I have no doubt this cheese sauce will enhance any food you put it on. I think I found what I'm gonna bring to Super Bowl parties for the rest of my life. Unbelievable.